Yeah. It's that new frequency. It's that love frequency. It's that build your people up frequency. Stardust and Callum. Starkalem. We ain't tearing nobody down. We just finally lifting your ass up. Let's go. With the sun in the sky, watch the whole world shine. Yeah. We came from the bottom, now we building from the roots. Generational wealth, yeah, we speaking like the truth. Ain't no hate in our heart, just a mission in the mind. We investing in ourselves, leaving poverty behind. We done carried every burden, every weight, every scar. Now we owning every business, every block, every bar. Circulate the dollar like the blood in the vein. Keep it in the family, let it multiply again and again and again.
We ain't mad at nobody, we just waking up to try. We are just learning who we are. We are just stepping in our pride.
Yeah.
Black love, black power, black future on the rise.
Woo. With the sun in the sky,
watch the whole world shine.
We building wealth.
Yeah, we building wealth.
We loving us.
Yeah, we loving self.
We rising up
higher than we ever felt.
This that Starkalem frequency.
Generational health.
We building wealth.
Stacking for the kids.
We building wealth.
Ownership, that's big biz.
We building wealth.
Unity, that's how we live.
No hate, just love.
That's the message we give.
We ain't waiting on a system that was never built for us. We creating our own lanes, yet we driving our own bus. From the music to the markets, from the tech to the land, we the architects now. Blueprint in our hand, buy black, shop black. Let the money circulate. Turn the dollar to a dream, turn the dream to a state, turn the state to a nation, turn the nation to a throne. We ain't mad at nobody,
we just waking up to try.
We just waking up to try.
We just learning who we are.
We are just
stepping in our pride.
Hey.
Black love, black power, black future on the rise.
Oh, with the sun in the sky,
watch the whole world shine.
Turn the throne to a legacy, our babies call home. We ain't beefing with nobody, we just focused on the climb. We just healing generations that been hurting for some time. It's that love, it's that growth, it's that unity divine. It's that finally understand. It's that black design. We building wealth.
Yeah, we building wealth.
Hey. We loving us.
Yeah, we loving self.
Hey. We rising up
higher than we ever felt.
This that Starkalem frequency.
Generational health.
Hey. We building wealth.
Stacking for the kids.
We building wealth.
Ownership, that's big biz.
We building wealth.
Unity, that's how we live.
No hate, just love.
That's the message we give.
We ain't mad at nobody.
We just waking up to try.
We just waking up the tribe.
We are just learning who we are.
We are just
stepping in our pride.
We just stepping in our pride.
Black love, black power, black future on the rise.
With the sun in the sky,
watch the whole.
We ain't against nobody. We just fighting for ourselves. We ain't closing doors. We just opening our own. We ain't spreading hate. We spreading love, discipline, and vision. This is the rise. This is the shift. This is the frequency of love. This is Starkalem. From the block to the ballroom, watch us elevate.
From the pain to the power,
watch us resonate.
From the past to the future,
watch us detonate.
Black